In this video, I'll show you how to set a home page in Microsoft Edge so your favorite website opens automatically every time you launch the browser. Start by opening Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once it loads, go to the top right corner and click the three dots. This opens the main menu. From there, select Settings to enter Edge's customization area. On the left side, click Start, Home and New tabs. If you don't see the sidebar, expand your window or open the menu panel to reveal it. In this section, look for When Edge Starts. Select the option labeled Open these pages. This allows you to choose exactly which website loads when Edge launches. Next, click Add a new page. A small box will appear asking for a web address. Type or paste the full URL of the site you want as your home page, such as https://www.google.com. Then click Add. Make sure the address is spelled correctly so it loads properly. You'll now see your selected site listed under Open these pages. From now on, whenever you open Microsoft Edge, it will automatically load that page. If you ever want to change it, just return to the same settings page to edit or remove the listed site. You can even add multiple pages if you want several tabs to open at startup. That's it. Open Settings, go to Start, Home and New tabs, choose Open these pages and add your preferred website.